Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today video I will try to explain how we can apply for a statement of comparability or how we can attest our degree from Germany. So let's start. For example, if you want to apply for skill immigration in Germany, like for blue card, for work visa, for job search visa, for opportunity card, for chancellor card, if you want to apply for a skill work immigration in Germany, so you need a lot of documents, right? But there are some documents like your degree is very important. For example, you have a degree from your hometown, you are from any country around the world, and you have a degree, bachelor degree or master degree or PhD degree. And for example, you want to recognize your degree in Germany to apply for blue card, work visa or job search or opportunity card. So you can do that online step by step because it's very important to make your degree equal to German higher education. So let's start. In first step, for example, you have degree from India, Pakistan, maybe from South America, from Europe, from anywhere around the world. Simply, you have to go. First step, you have to check Anabin database. Simply, you have to check on Anabin database. If your degree is available or university is available on this dataset, it means that your degree is recognized in Germany and it have H plus status. So it means that your degree is recognized in Germany. So you don't need to go to step 2 or you don't need to apply for ZAB comparability, right? So if you want to check, simply I give link in the description, or you can go to my channel and watch this video how you can check Anabin database and how you can check your degree on this database. First of all, in first step, as I said, you simply go to my channel and watch this video. Check your degree is recognized in Germany. Simply check this video and you will
Forse
know
non lo so.
how to check your degree, how to check your degree is recognized in Germany or not. If your degree is recognized, simply you print this report and go to embassy and submit and apply for visa. But for example, if your degree is not available on Anabin database, so you have to apply for verification. You have to apply for a statement of comparability. And so you have to apply for a statement of comparability. It's called ZAB. Is a higher education of Germany. You have to apply there to get a statement of comparability for your degree. So in second step, simply you have to pre-check the documents. Simply you have to check which document do you need to apply for a statement of comparability. Simply go to your browser, open your browser, just open Google and simply write here ZAB statement of comparability and open your simply first link, right? After open first link, you can scroll down and click on pre-check. Can I apply for statement of comparability? Click on pre-check and simply here you have to select your country. For example, you are from any country, Mexico, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and any country. Simply select your country. For example, I will select my country from here. And here you have to select your degree from bachelor, master, PhD, whatever, right? You have to select, I will select my degree, bachelor degree. As you can see, you can apply for a statement of comparability for this degree, right? So you require document for a statement of comparability, university degree. So you should have university diploma, you should have transcript, right? And these degrees should be verified from higher education from your hometown. These degrees should be verified from higher education, right? In your country, right? You have to verify these two degrees, and you need like other document. Like if you want to apply for master, same you should have like a diploma and you should have transcript verified from higher education, right? And you need secondary school graduation certificate. It should be like your college certificate or secondary school certificate. You have to submit this, and you also need passport or an identity card. You need like employment letter if you have job in Germany, you should add your letter here. If you don't have, then leave it, right? And simply, if you are married, so you should submit your marriage certificate. If you are not, then leave it. Okay. Now if you have all these documents, simply go and apply for ZAB. So let's start. Now in step 3, we will show you how to fill the application form. So let's start. Simply go to the ZAB website. As you can see, this is the official website, and I will click on account. After click on account, you need to create your account, right? You just need to create your account. Simply click on create account. After create account, because we are foreigner, we are not German, so we need to log in with username and password. Simply click on username and password and create your account. After click on next, you simply provide all the information, your study, about your name, your date of birth and place of birth, and simply create your account. After that, after creating account, simply you click on login, click on username password, right? And just write your username or email and password. Because I already have account, so first you have to create account, and then you should simply log in to your account. Click on login. After login, simply you have to fill the application form. So simply you have to click on statement of comparability and click on application. After click on application, you have to click on apply now. Now this application you have to fill step by step, right? Your title, your name, your date of birth, your place of birth, you have your country of birth, you have to select your country from here, your nationality, and click on save and next. After that, your postal address. You have to select your postal address. For example, currently I'm living in Pakistan, so I will select my country. I have to write my address here, simply my home address. This is my home address simply, and your email address and your phone number. So I will click on next. Now, have you applied for a statement of comparability previously? They're asking that, did you apply for a statement of, have you applied for a statement of comparability before? No. If you apply, you can say yes, but for me, no, I never apply for it. So I will select no, and I will save and next. Now you have to select your country of university degree was obtained. You have to select your country from where you complete your education. For example, I will select my country here and university degree, for example, bachelor degree, and I can select save and next. Now you have to write your name of the university degree. It was Bachelor of Engineering and degree program software engineering. If any specialization you have to write here university name simply, and a city of the university, and here you have to write start of the university enrollment, end of the university enrollment, date of the university degree was confirmed, and date of the university diploma was issued. So you have to write all this detail, and here you have to write the certificate number. You have to check your on your degree and just simple write your diploma number here. And your study was full-time program? Yes. Your study was 4 years? Yes. Do you complete your final thesis? Did you work on thesis or project? If you work on thesis, simply select yes. If you work on project, simply select no. And do you have blue card? It means that if you already have a job, if you already have a job from a company and they provide you a blue card, to simply select yes. If you don't have, simply select no and save and next. After that, say, would you like to enter another university degree? It means that they are asking like, do you want to apply for a statement of comparability? For example, I want to apply for master, bachelor. So you select yes. If no, if you don't want for master, simply select no and save and next. Here you have to write your secondary school qualification, right? Here you simply write your secondary school qualification from where you complete your college. Simply write here, country, and your date of secondary school graduation, and 7 next. Select your country and 7 next. After that, you have to select passport, your passport or ID card. Simply select your passport and ID card here. I will select my passport here. And here you have to select proof of name of change, marriage certificate. If you are married, you have to select, otherwise forget about it. And click on save and next. Here you have to upload your university diploma with higher education certificate attestation. So when you verify your degree from your hometown, they will attest with higher education. So you have to upload your degree. You have to upload your degree with HEC attestation simply, and you have to upload your transcript entire degree program with HEC attestation stamp. Simply you have to upload your transcript here, and here you have to in transcript record of entire degree program with HEC attestation stamp. The same like you have to upload your transcript record for your attestation. Here you also have to upload transcript record for entire degree program with HEC attestation stamp. Simply upload your transcript record, all the record here, and click on save and next. After that, they ask you again, do you want to apply? Do you have a blue card visa or do you have blue card job? So if you don't have, simply don't select it and click on. As you can see here, application fee is €208, and you simply click on save and next. You have to confirm. Click on yes, select and save and next. And now, as you can see, you have already complete your application, your personal information, university degree, your secondary school qualification document, and all the information is already submitted. Simply read your application again, check your application. Please check your application again and then submit your application, right? And now it's already okay, and simply you go and submit application. After click on submit application, is almost done. In next step, I will show you, right? Okay. Now, as you can see, we fill the application form, right? In next step, we have to pay the application fee. As I said, for one degree, for bachelor degree, only one degree, you have to pay €208 almost, right? And for example, you have bachelor degree and master degree, you will pay maybe €300 or maybe €310, right? As I said. So simply, as you can see, there are several options to pay the application fee. You can pay with PayPal or your credit card. Simply click on this. As you can see, there are information, and as you can see, you have information. Pay with credit card, pay with PayPal. For example, I want to pay with credit card, and simply you can provide your all the information and you can pay the application fee, and it will be submitted. Your application will be submitted and you will receive an email. So it's quite simple. As I said, simply you have to follow the step, fill the application form and pay the application fee, and then it's done. And the step 5, processing time. Normal category take like 2 to 3 months. Fast track, for example, if your employer support you, so it will take 1 to 2 months. If you have blue card, as I said, it will take 2 to 3 weeks. So simply what I said, simply step 1, check your degree on Anabin database. Second step, if your degree is not on database, simply come on step 2. Pre-check the document. What document do you need for ZAB comparability? Come to step 2 and check your document. What document do you need for statement of comparability? Step 3, fill your application form. Step 4, pay the application fee. And step 5, wait for your application. As you know, after submitting the application, and you'll receive email that you submit your application, but how you will check your application progress? Okay, so simply you have to log into your account, as I said, and after login you have to click on my account, and you can click on my application. Here you can check your application status, like did they accept your application, when you will get your statement of comparability, and so on. So you can check your progress about your application in simple way. So it's quite simple that I explained in 5 steps, and I hope you liked my video. And if you have any question regarding this application, please comment and let me know if I can help you. So it's quite simple video for you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.